Since ain't nobody back here, let's see if we can get a quick burnout real quick.
Welcome to DC. You know where you're at, the USA cap. You're taking it slightly, I'm taking it slightly. Now you don't act, oh, you gon' be right back. Well, we gon' be right here, we gon' be right here. You know where you're at, the USA cap. You're taking it slightly, I'm taking it slightly. Now you don't act, oh, you gon' be right back. Well, we gon' be right here, we gon' be right here. We ain't going nowhere.
And welcome back to the channel. Today I gotta do a little running around, man. So but right now I'm gonna go ahead and get my hair cut, and I'll get with you guys, man, once I get finished getting my hair cut. Alright guys, I'm back from getting my hair cut, feeling like a new man. But anyway, man, this video, it's been a minute, man, since I installed my my high flow air filter. So what I'm about to do today is I'm about to go and I need to check it, man, see if I need to clean it or if I need to replace it, because I put it in around maybe like a month after I bought the car, and you know, that was 2 years ago. So that goes to show you how long it's been since I checked it. I know that's trifling, but every time I took it in to get the oil change, they never told me that I needed to replace it or, you know, clean it. So not that they would, they probably don't even check it nowadays with these mechanics at these dealerships. They always half-assing jobs anyway. So, and since it's been so long since I checked it, I'm just very curious to see how dirty it is, or, you know, if I need to replace it. Because like I said, it's been a minute, man, since I even checked it or did anything. I'm thinking it shouldn't be that dirty. It's not like I'm out here drag racing and, you know, doing continuous burnouts, you know. So, but considering the weather has been bad and a lot been going on as far as the weather, you know, it could be clogged up. It could have, you know, a lot of debris up in it. But we're gonna find out in a few minutes, man. So that's just one of the things I'm doing today, man. Like I said, I'm gonna take you guys with me today. I got a little bit of running around to do, and I also need to figure out a way to get this plastic dip off my wheels. I know you can power wash it off, or you can, a lot of people say you can use Goo Gone or Goo Off or all these different chemicals to get it off. And so I need to find out exactly how to get this plastic dip off until I get my new wheels, because I'm tired of riding around with, you know, the wheels half peeling, and, you know, that just don't look cool, man. So I definitely got to do something about that. So I'm gonna go over here to my grandparents' house. My grandfather got all the tools and stuff in his garage, so I'm gonna go over here and you know, pop the hood and open up this filter and see what we got going on, man. Hopefully it ain't nothing crazy, because then I'm gonna have to either replace it or go ahead and clean it out. And I mean, it's not like it's some big deal, but you know, I think I can handle it. And of course, I'm not, you know, I'm not a mechanic, but I think I can handle this little stuff here. I'm not a complete idiot, so I think I can I can figure this out. All right, guys. So I'm here. I'm about to pop the hood and see, you know, see what this filter looking like, man. So let me go ahead and pop the hood. It's been a minute since I checked this joint, so let me see what's going on. Let's see. Alright, so we'll have to remove this screw, that screw, and then it should just pop right on out. Alright guys, so it should just have to just pull it towards me and it should just pop right out. I'm just gonna pull this out. And as you see, it is a little dirty. So I'm definitely gonna have to clean this joint. So after 2 years, this is how it looks. And that's pretty damn dirty. So, alright guys, so considering how dirty this thing is and how long it's been since I switched, I'm just gonna go buy a new one, and I'm just gonna put a new one in there. So let's head to the store, man. Get it. Alright guys, I finally made it. Look what's beside me, man. The older Charger, man. Check it out. 3.5 joint. I still like them bodies now. Alright guys, so I'm now leaving the auto parts store, man. I'm gonna head back and go ahead and put this new filter in and be done with it. Instead of trying to waste all that time trying to clean it and do this and do that. I'm just gonna go ahead and replace it. So I'll check back in with y'all, man, once I get back to the house and put this filter in. We got a Mustang in my rear. Check it out. You see him back there? He don't really want no smoke though, for real. Since ain't nobody back here, let's see if we can get a quick burnout real quick. Always enjoy doing a little quick burnout, man, but somebody was coming behind me right when I was great. Start smoking the tires, man. Okay guys, we back. So here's the new filter. So I'm gonna open this up and see this vet right here. I'm gonna do a review of this vet soon, so stay tuned for that video. But I'm getting ready to take this filter out this box and put this new filter in here. As you can see, it comes in plastic because it has oil and stuff on it. So you can see the oil right there in the plastic. So let's put this new filter in. Alright guys, so we got it all installed now. Just got everything screwed back in tight. And we're gonna start it up, man, and make sure we ain't getting no check engine light or nothing like that. Start this joint up real quick. Make sure everything is everything. Look like we good to go. No check engine light or nothing on. Everything is sealed up properly, and that's it, man. So we got the new filter installed. Everything sounds good, so we're gonna dispose of this old one right here. Yeah, man. So definitely had to do that, man. I don't know what took me so long to put a new filter in this joint, man, because this filter right here is filthy, man. So definitely don't wait as long as I did to change the filter. Look at that, man. Ain't no way I was gonna clean that, bro. I had to replace this filter. I mean, I could have if I wanted to, you know, scrub it and all that, but I ain't about to do all that. That's just way too dirty. So that's pretty much the end of this video, man. If this is your first time joining my channel, man, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, man, and I'll see y'all on the next video. Peace.